Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon kitchen finds this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video.
The Ninja BC151BK Blast. Portable blender by Ninja combines convenience and efficiency in a sleek black design. With its portable and lightweight features, this blender is a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of applications. The cordless design allows for easy use on the go, making it ideal for those with busy lifestyles or who enjoy traveling. The blender's 18 fluid ounce capacity provides ample space for creating smoothies, shakes, and other blended beverages. The removable blade feature ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, while the dishwasher-safe design adds another layer of convenience to the user experience. Measuring at 3.54 inches in diameter, 3.54 inches in width, and 1071 inches in height, this blender is compact enough to store easily, yet powerful enough to handle various blending tasks effectively. Whether you're at homework or on the move, the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable blender offers a reliable...
The best nitrile rubber cleaning, household dishwashing gloves by Tusco. Products are a reliable choice for a variety of household tasks. These gloves are made with a high-quality combination of vinyl and rubber materials, providing durability and flexibility for everyday use. One of the standout features of these gloves is their versatility. Whether you're cleaning around the house, washing dishes, or handling tasks that require protection, these gloves have got you covered. The medium size ensures a comfortable fit for most users, and the turquoise color adds a touch of style to your cleaning routine. The special features of these gloves make them a standout option in the market. They are reusable, which makes them cost-effective in the long run. Additionally, their cut-resistant design provides an extra layer of protection during various tasks. Being latex-free, they are suitable for individuals with latex sensitivities, and being disposable adds to the convenience of using them.
Culinary Elements Reusable Bowl. Covers by Bright Concepts are a must-have kitchen accessory for households looking to reduce plastic waste and keep food fresh. Made from high-quality plastic, these reusable bowl covers come in a clean white color that complements any kitchen decor. The round shape and compact design of the Culinary Elements Reusable Bowl covers make them versatile and easy to use on various bowl sizes. Whether you are storing leftovers, prepping ingredients in advance, or bringing dishes to potlucks, these bowl covers are the perfect solution for keeping your food fresh and secure. With sustainability in mind, these bowl covers help eliminate the need for disposable plastic wrap or aluminum foil, making them an eco-friendly choice for everyday use. The durability of the material ensures that these covers can be used repeatedly, saving you money in the long run and reducing single-use plastic waste. In conclusion, the Culinary Elements Reusable Bowl Covers.
This full-star vegetable chopper and spiralizer vegetable slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that simplifies food preparation. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this product boasts dimensions of 11 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 4.8 inches in height, making it easy to handle and store. The crisp white color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this vegetable chopper is its multi-purpose design, allowing you to tackle various cutting and slicing tasks with ease. The V-shaped stainless steel blades ensure precise and efficient cutting every time, whether you are chopping onions or spiralizing vegetables for a healthy meal.
The OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Potato. Ricer sets a high standard for efficiency and durability in the kitchen. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this ricer boasts a sleek and professional design that enhances its performance. Weighing just 113 pounds and measuring at 11.5 inches in length and 4.5 inches in width, this kitchen tool is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to handle and store. The stainless steel construction not only ensures the ricer's longevity, but also makes it easy to clean after use. The OXO Potato Ricer excels in its functionality, effortlessly transforming boiled potatoes into smooth, lump-free mashed potatoes with minimal effort. The comfortable grip and non-slip knob add to the user experience, providing a secure and efficient ricing process. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary creations, the OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Potato Ricer is a reliable and indispensable kitchen tool that delivers consistent,